Hello everyone, my name is Ngọc. I'm 11 years old. Today I will tell you about my new topic. It is named Weather Tools. It's from lesson 6 of science on one of science books. Now in this topic we will have 4 parts. Now let's come to part 1. Temperature. 1. Temperatures. Role of temperatures. Temperature plays a critical role in determining of type of weather we experience. In simple terms, it tells us how hot or cold the air is at any given moment. High temperatures cause from water from oceans and lakes to evaporate, which leads to cloud formations. Furthermore, temperature directly impacts human health, agriculture, and daily outdoor activities. And it's also a human health too. And it will measures by the thermometer we will see in the pictures. Thermometer is like a thing that we can to measure temperature. We use an essential tool called a thermometer. A thermometer measures air temperatures at a specific point in time by collecting temperature data. Meteorologists can easily compare temperatures between different locations and check changes across days, seasons, or years. Like when we use the thermometer, it will help you to see in the outside is hot or is not. It will measure it for you. But are you thinking about you can feel it? But if you see feel that it's like medium, but when you measure it's like hot a little bit. So if you don't have it, you cannot know how it's hot and how it's cold. Part 2. Wind and a thermometer. It will help we can measure the speed of it. But next I will tell you that from about 1 minute I will tell you from the wind first. What causes wind? For me, I think wind is created by difference in atmospheric pressures. It can reach from a light, gentle breeze on a summer afternoon to a strong, destructive gale during a severe storm. Measuring wind. To check the wind, the scientists rely on an instrument called an anemometer, specifically the cup manometer. These two measures with speed, directions, which is essential for safety planning, navigations, aviation, and weather forecasting. Do you see the channel is weather forecast? I think that they will use the tools on this topic to tell you the next day how it's at. I think that. So it's the how that they can know what is the next day will be. And wind type climate. Sea, land, breezer. These local winds caused by temperature difference between water and land during days and nights. Prevailing winds. These are large-scale wind patterns such as westerlies that drive global winter cycles and shape the entire climate of Oregon. And I have tell you two types of it. Wind also it have some influence global climate pattern. Now it's come to part 3. Part 3 is precipitations relate process. From things that we can know about the how it would be in rain. Our third major element is precipitations. Vietnamese is the thing that we can know how of the millions of rain. First of all is definitions and measurements. Precipitation referred to any form of water that falls from the sky to Earth's surface to measure the exact amount of liquid precipitation. We use a rain gauge. What's rain gauge? Rain gauge is the thing that we can measure the rainfall amount. Next, I will tell you special type of precipitations. Beyond regular rainfall, precipitation comes in various forms. One is hail. Form when a strong upward current of air updraft carry raindrops high into freezing clouds, causing them to freeze into ice pellets before falling. 2 is sled. This occurs when rain freezes into ice pellets as it falls through a cold layer of air before hitting the ground. 3 is the Bayesian process. The key scientific concept here is the Bayesian process is the primary physical mechanism responsible for forming most precipitations in mid-latitude regions where ice crystals grow at the expense of cloud droplets in cold cloud. This is 3 types of rain. And do you know more from it? I think I have some examples two professional have big clapping for me. Next is the part 4, also the last part, studying weather. Finally, let's look at how all these two comes together in studying weather. First of all is meteorologists. Weather scientists are meteorologists. They collect data from thermometers, anemometers, rain gauges, and satellites to analyze atmospheric condition. 2 is weather forecasts. Weather forecast is very basic or like people or like many people that I watch every day. Third, the analyst, the meteorologists create weather reports and forecasts. These forecasts allow us to prepare for the daily activities, plan agricultural work, and protect life and properties by warning us about severe weather events like typhoon or blizzard. And did you like this topic? Please tell me. Goodbye.